Hello, my dear friends. Today, I'll show you powerful lifting serums that reduce wrinkles around the eyes and face, nourish the skin, and visibly tighten it. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss new natural beauty recipes. To prepare the base serum, we'll need 3 teaspoons of flax seeds, pour 300 milliliters of boiling water over them. Let it sit for about 1 hour. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which deeply hydrate the skin, reduce inflammation, smooth fine lines, and restore elasticity, especially in the delicate under-eye area. Once infused, strain the flaxseed gel through a fine strainer or cheesecloth. This will be the lifting serum we'll use as a base. Friends, let me know in the comments. Where are you watching from? I'd love to hear from you. Benefits: deeply hydrates, reduces puffiness and wrinkles, firms and lifts the skin. Apply the flaxseed serum using a soft sponge or clean fingers. Gently spread it around your eyes, on the entire face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Use every day for 1 week, then continue 2 to 3 times a week for maintenance. Second recipe: take 1 teaspoon of the flaxseed serum. Add a few drops of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E deeply nourishes and repairs damaged or aging skin. Benefits: smooths fine lines, improves elasticity, and protects against environmental damage. How to use it: apply the mixture to the under-eye area, full face, neck, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water, followed by cold water. Apply a light moisturizer afterward. Use 2 to 3 times per week. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Third recipe: take 1 teaspoon of the flaxseed serum. Add 1/2 teaspoon of rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is rich in vitamin A and essential fatty acids, known to reduce wrinkles and rejuvenate mature skin. Benefits: fades dark spots, reduces fine lines, and improves skin tone. How to use it: apply evenly to face, under eyes, neck, and hands. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and moisturize. Use 2 times per week. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe for more DIY anti-aging skincare. Fourth recipe: take 1 teaspoon of flaxseed serum. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera soothes, hydrates, and boosts collagen naturally. Benefits: reduces redness, calms sensitive skin, and gives a youthful glow. Apply the mixture to the under-eye area, full face, neck, and hands. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with water and moisturize. Pat dry and apply your usual moisturizer. Use every day for 1 week, then continue 2 to 3 times a week for maintenance. Fifth recipe: take 1 teaspoon of flaxseed serum. Add 1 teaspoon of brewed green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants that protect the skin and tighten pores. Benefits: refreshes, firms, and reduces signs of aging. Apply evenly to face, under eyes, neck, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and moisturize. Use 2 times per week. Sixth recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of flaxseed serum. Add 1/2 teaspoon of collagen powder. Collagen supports skin structure and elasticity. Mix well. Benefits: boosts firmness, reduces fine lines, and plumps the skin. Apply evenly to face, under eyes, neck, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse and apply a nourishing moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can alternate these serums or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.